So here's the latest update on this mobile home up in the front of the property. They got half of the back torn out, and wait till you see the front side. So this thing is, and maybe not quite halfway done, but they're pulling all this metal off of it. And then the argosy was supposed to be gone yesterday, but they have to come next weekend because they took too much on. And there's the big one waiting to get out of here. And here is a new open view with the big one gone. We haven't decided what we're gonna do here, because the area where that big one was would be a good burn hole already, because it's, 3 foot lower than everything else to begin with. Alright, it looks like a bobcat, but it's white, so it might just be a barn cat. But man, it had a stubby tail. I wonder if that was a light colored bobcat. Let's see if it just slinked off to the right over this. There it is. Man, that is moving like a bobcat. It's taking off. Where you at? It could be a feral cat, but it looked like it had a short tail. Hiding now. It looks like a big old turtle down there. Yeah, gave me the slip. Could be underneath here right now. Oh well. Anyone need a shoe? It's like about a size 7 or 8 maybe. Look at the ruts from that mobile home. This will tell you how heavy that thing was. You see around here the tractor, nothing else was making any kind of ruts at all. And this thing made ruts in this firm dirt up here. Wow. I wish I could get an accurate. My best guess is 20,000 pounds all day long, because it was full of garbage. So Curtis stayed last night, played with my machines, and look at this, he dug out another mobile home frame and tore out all the weeds back here. So we are knocking this thing down piece by piece. Right where I'm standing is where the double wide was. Hey guys, Kapper here, January 31st, and I'm back at Curtis's 8 acres. Spent some more changes since the last time, so let me give you a quick update. Right, here's the front gate. We almost had that argosy gone. Argosy, however it's pronounced. They couldn't make it, but it's on the list to get picked up. But look up here, the boys got this front mobile home halfway devoured. I'm gonna have to get with Ron, see what he needs for help. But I'm here to pick up the excavator, bring it back to our farm for a little while. But hopefully we get that burn permit or restriction lifted soon, because we're ready to start burning brush and stuff. But here's what a place looks like. Wow, this backhoe is really about the last vehicle. That and the Argosy, whatever it is. But look at what a mess. We've had rain and snow over the last week, and what a disastrous mess it is. All right, let me interject here. This spot where the mobile home was, the big one that we took out, had 1.5 feet of water in it. It was its own pond right here in this spot. But what happened was Curtis stayed late again, and he took the excavator and drained it. And he didn't get any video or pictures of that. But you can imagine this whole rectangle in here being a little pond, and he drained it a couple days ago to start getting things to dry out. That's a perfect burn spot right there. It's already, I mean, I know you guys can't see the elevation, but from right here to there, that's easily a 3-foot drop into that hole. Well, looks like we got another one of the mobile home trailers out. There was 4 or 5 of these over here behind where my excavator is. I wonder if they got them all. Let's take a look. We definitely got to get that dumpster out of here. He's going to be paying daily fees on it soon. Wow, the mobile home frames are all gone from back here. So we got a couple down there yet, and this is the last one from this area anyway. So man, we are definitely on the downhill run. Thank goodness we got as much done as we did before the weather turned south. Let's see if we can find that home with the skid steer, or I'm sorry, with the excavator. I'm not sure if you could see, but this creek is pretty swollen. That's the property line on Curtis's 8 acres here. Look at how big it is over here. And it's up higher, a lot higher than it was on the banks.